Okay. You're so stupid.
I can see that.
You're all both idiots.
Oh my god, I'm getting.
Oh, did it hurt?
Oh no, it's tickling.
Oh wow, that's epic.
Ow.
It's an epic but fail.
Yeah. All right. And I'm not.
Michael and Anthony, epic fail.
Oh, what is the lady doing?
I will finish cover. Hold on. Oh wait, it's been videotaping actually.
Go up here.
Okay, fine.
Down there.
I just didn't want to be lonely, but I see how it is.
Hurry up.
Where is it? 855?
I got it, Joe.
599.
Actually, I'm going over there.
No, wait a couple seconds. Guys, he should be pelted with basketballs when he's coming down.
We did that once and kid
No,
died.
They should.
Go!
You got it ready? No, wait a couple seconds.
I got it.
Wait, let Joe do it so they can. Can I kick it at him like this?
I mean, you could, but you just
Wait a
die.
couple minutes. Hit him in the face.
It's not like it
the
matters.
imprint of NCAA.
Yeah, you know, it'll be good. Except you're probably just gonna hit the kid on the front. So.
Black thing covering the screen.
All right, just go.
It's in front of it. No, it's not. Alright, just forget about it. Hey, your phone. What? Epic fail.
Epic fail. Michael Lyons and Anthony.
I didn't lean back. Yes, you did. You're
Oh,
Alright, you're good.
I gotta see this.
Let's go, AK. Dude, a little bit better than average. I killed that. I killed that motherfucker.
I'm going. No,
this head stand.
It doesn't.
Perfect right here.
Fuck you.
Dude, what is with this basketball?
They're all like that.
Not funny, Joe.
Same with
Make you cry.
We found the rare tip ball.
Dude, there's one in that
Yeah, feel
too.
this. Look, it's going already.
I'm gonna spin a ball right on its tip.
Oh, hold on.
Brendan,
Let's get this on video.
let me spin the ball on its tip.
He's off the tip.
Yeah, you're not on the tip.
Perfect.
Oh wow.
Oh! I've been neutered in my dear testicles.
Oh, really?
As you can see, there's no boner here. Yeah. Put it in there. Let's let her fan see. Oh,
That's his mom.
no, it's okay.
Is he inside the bathroom? I'm sorry. Did you break him? He broke the handle.
We need to tell the teachers.
Oh my god, he broke it. Don't even.
Stop pulling it out.
Don't even. Oh, what you guys do? Oh my god, that's. Okay. No, don't even. Don't put it back on. Don't put it back on. Wait for somebody to come in.
Like that.
Ask somebody if they have to go to the bathroom. How do we do it? I'm not a freaking preparer, man. What are you all looking at?
But I am.
Why'd you put it here?
Why are you all looking at me?
Nancy.
We need help. Yeah, the door handle back there, it fell off of the toilet. Yeah. Videotaping this? Yeah.
Yeah, Ben. Ben's the handyman.
I fixed it.
Here, honey, sit down a minute.
Okay. See what you did? You were great. No, that was great. Ray opened the door. He opened it too fast. No, I don't think nobody's in there. Shouldn't be somebody in there. Are you really doing what I think you should be doing? Get down farther.
I don't know if you're even gonna get that back in. See, there's that. That's what happened. No. Yeah, maybe take that up there with you.
Can you still open the door, probably?
No.
Ah.
No.
How many hours do we have left?
No, you can't. You won't be able to open it without. No.
Yeah, what is it? Was in there? Wow.
Actually, probably would have been better.
Right, but we did it on the outside.
It's cheap.
Cheat sheets. This is boring, this video. Well, that thing broke right there. That's not my fault. It's Bray's fault. Not mine. Hey, Matt. Hi.
Inside of it's like out of line.
I didn't break it. I'm innocent. Well, this is our field trip. And there's Joe Freddy. There's Joe Freddy.
Oh,
There's Joe Freddy.
the doorknob, the one who broke.
Yeah, who do you think broke it? This is who broke it. This is who broke it.
We need to make a change.